So finding and evaluating inverse functions, one way is just to interchange the input and output of the original function to find the values for an inverse function. So use a table to find and interpret f of 60 and f inverse of 60. So f of 60, so that means 60 is the input, that means 50 is the output. So f of 60 equals 50. But f inverse of 60, for this we're going to look at the output of the original function is the input of our inverse function, and that's going to lead to 70. So f inverse of 60 is 70, where f of 60 is 50. So hope that's clear there. How to find the inverse value given a graph. So to find the desired input on the, or you're going to find the desired input on the y-axis of the given graph, and then read the inverse function's output from the x-axis given. So here's a function of g of x. We're going to find g of 3. So g of 3 would take 3 for x. That's going to come up to here. Go to red instead. And that leads to 1. So g of 3 equals 1. Let's look at g inverse of 3. So we look at 3 as the output of f, which is the input of the inverse, or sorry, output of g, which is the input of g inverse. So that it comes to this value here, which correlates to 5. So g inverse of 3 is 5. Let's look at g inverse of 1. So here's 1. That leads to 3. How about g inverse of 4? So here's 4. That is coming to here. So it looks to me to be about maybe 5.6. So that 5.6 would lead to a 4 value for that graph. Okay, in the next video we're going to look at inverses by formulas.